This baby woke up with a little stuffy nose. You can hear it. Hey, big boy. Hey, big boy. You like looking at the camera? Yeah. I also want to show you guys the little corner over here that we made for all of Hudson's toys. It's a collage, and underneath we have a bench, and then his little bouncy seat he got for Christmas. Yeah, and our friend Alyssa got us this made for our Christmas. So cute. All the cubicles and boxes, baskets are from Target, pillows Hobby Lobby. This was a gift, but I know it's from TJ Maxx. This was Etsy. Also, this butte is coming down today. I can't really see it because of the light. And I gotta pack away all the Christmas decorations. I took them down yesterday, but Blake wasn't here to help me, so I have the boxes in the garage, so I'm gonna bring them in and pack everything away. And it's just gonna be, that's also Christmas decoration, so it looks like a mess over there. But we are gonna clean that up today and hopefully have this house looking like it was before. Hey, big boy. Hey. Hey. You're getting so big. You see that baby in the camera? You see that baby in the camera? This baby's getting so big. He'll be 6 months old in 13 days. 6 months. It can't be that long. So I had to take a break from cleaning because Hudson needed some playtime and he ate, right? Did you eat? And we're playing now? With the trees and your clouds? Yeah. So he's playing. I got these boxes. Everything's off the tree. I just got to get the tree down. It looks very see-through with nothing on it. It worked, those are your little feet.
This is that chunk of dog playing in the snow.
Yeah. Hi, baby. He's a sick boy, but he's getting better. He always looks right at the camera, which is so sweet. It snowed last night.
It's almost like he sees his reflection.
Oh, there it is. And we are cleaning and redecorating and sanitizing today. Is that right?
It's hot, that's for sure.
Yeah.
I'm breaking a sweat.
Sun's coming right in here.
See, if we didn't have these blinds, which I guess we could just pull the curtains, but
Yeah.
it'd make a huge difference in the...
Oh, that was bright. Ooh, that was bright. Ooh, that was bright. It's getting so big. I did vlog the other day. Hey.
Yeah, I would love that wreath so much better if our door was prettier.
Yeah, me too.
It's still pretty, I mean, and it looks good from the road.
Yeah.
If those
Starting
glasses
to melt.
weren't frosted, it really wouldn't look that bad.
Yeah,
It is melting a little bit on the grass there.
yeah. Because the sun is so hot. Oh, it's so bright when the sun reflects. You got your new chew toy? Or it's not chew toy, teething toy? I guess I should say. You're not a puppy dog. Do you have your ball? Huh? Is that your ball? Yes, ma'am. Pick it back up. Oh, you got it. That's a big boy. So we finished this. I love it.